want to show you a smartphone video kit we got from Amazon. This video kit is great for improving your audio quality. It's a great set for creating YouTube videos. It is small, light, and easy to install. The microphone is directly recording the audio with your video. It saves you a lot of post-production time in comparison to an external recording device. Let us open the box. The equipment comes with a handy travel bag. Let's open the travel case. Inside there is a humidity-absorbing gel pack, a warranty instruction paper, and the instructions manual. Let us have a closer look at the user manual. Here an overview of all contents. It comes with a tripod, a phone holder, the micro compact, directional, condenser shotgun video microphone, and a microphone wind protector for filtering the wind out. There is also a connection cable for smartphones. We are now going to assemble everything. First, connect the tripod with the phone holder. Then assemble the microphone on top. For windy days you can switch with the wind protector. Put in the audio cable at the back of the microphone with one side, and the other side comes into your smartphone. You have to adjust the smartphone holder by hand. This gives it a better hold than ordinary phone holder. At the end, open the tripod legs. That's it, we got a ready-to-use video setup. Let us compare the audio quality of the new external microphone with a built-in microphone of an Apple iPhone.
This is a test without the Comica microphone. And this is a test with the new Comica microphone. Can you hear the difference?
Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.